This is the specification for the chart of the insulation that we are using for the official installation of our air conditioning. So here we are having the ties and cooling place and non-cooling place. Okay, let's get the chart together. And for the cooling place, we have the normal conditions place and the special conditions place. And for non-cooling place, we also have the normal place and the special conditions place the same. And for our scoop of air conditioners, we have liquid line and gas lines piping. And for the recommendation for the standard pipe, we are using the 6.35 to over 12.7 for the liquid line, and the recommend using for the insulation is 9 millimeters thickness. T is mean the thickness of the insulation, so they recommend us to use for over 9 millimeters. And for the liquid line, the piping dimension is 12.7. They recommend to use over 13 millimeters. And for the special place, it is the same. And now we are going to check to see the non-cooling place. So non-cooling place, the specification that they recommend for using this piping are also the same. So the pipe size 6.35 and 9.52, we can see the line like the thickness that recommend to use is 9 millimeters, and the liquid pipe lines over 12.7, the recommend to use is over, the thickness is over 13 millimeters. Okay, so now we go to see the gas line. So the gas line, the pipe size from 9.52 to 25.4, and this is the gas line pipe size 28.58 to 44.45. So now we are going to see the recommendation for using for the cooling place. For the gas line, the pipe size 9.52 to 25.4. The recommendation for using the insulation thickness is 13. And the gas line pipe size 28.58 to 44.45, the recommended thickness to use is 19 millimeters. This is for the normal place. So we are going to see the special place recommendation thickness. So the special place recommended thickness is over 19 millimeters for the pipe size 9.52 to 25.4, and over 25 millimeters for the pipe size 28.50 58 to 44.45 for the gas pipelines. And now we are going to see the non-cooling place. For the non-cooling place, the recommendation thickness to use is over 19 millimeters for gas line, and the pipe size 9.52 to 25.4, and over 25 millimeters for gas pipeline, the pipe size 28.58 to 44.45. For the special place, we recommend to use over 25 millimeters thickness for the gas pipeline.